Welcome to all. Myself Ved Prakash Malik of class 9th studying in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Jagatsinghpur. Topic is causes of global warming. Global warming. Always remember that there is no planet B. There is only one Earth, not two. What is global warming? It is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, CFCs, and other pollutants. What will be covered in this video? Natural causes of global warming, greenhouse effect, natural calamities, anthropogenic causes, rapid industrialization, mining activities, effects of global warming, increase in temperature and increase in sea level, and pictures of consequences of global warming. Here are some natural causes of global warming. 1. Deforestation. 2. Depletion of ozone layer. 3. Natural calamities. And 4. Greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and rest is absorbed and radiated by greenhouse gases. Some gases due to which greenhouse effect is caused: carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, water vapor, and CFCs. What is deforestation? Deforestation clearance or clearing is the removal of a forest or stand of trees where the land is thereafter converted to a non-forest use. Deforestation occurs for multiple reasons. Trees are cut down to be used for building or solid as fuel, sometimes in the form of charcoal or timber, while cleared land is used as pasture for livestock and plantation. Then ozone depletion. What is depletion of ozone layer? Ozone is constantly created and destroyed in the past 50 years. The rate of destruction has far exceeded its rate of creation. As a result, a hole has appeared over Antarctica in the ozone layer of that atmosphere. The main destroyers of ozone are CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbons. What are natural calamities? A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural process of earth. Examples include floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, and other geologic processes. A natural disaster can cause loss of life or property damage and typically leave some economic damage on its wake, the severity of which depends on the affected population's resilience or ability to recover and also on infrastructure available. Here are some anthropogenic causes of global warming. Some anthropogenic causes of global warming are rapid industrialization, mining activities, and rapid population growth. What is industrialization? Industrialization is the period of social and economic change that transforms a human group from an agrarian society into an industrial society, involving the extensive reorganization of an economy for the purpose of manufacturing. How mining affects the environment. Mining effects. The effects of mining includes erosion, formation of sinkholes, loss of biodiversity, contamination of soils, groundwater and surface water by chemicals from mining process. What is the rapid population growth? Population growth. Population growth is the increase in the number of individuals in a population. Global human population growth amounts to be around 75 million annually or 1.1% per year. The global population has grown from 1 billion in 1800 to 7 billion in 2012. It is expected to keep growing, and estimates have put the total population at 8.4 billion by mid 2030 and 9.6 billion by mid 2050. Many nations with rapid population growth have low standards of living, whereas many nations with low rates of population growth have high standard of living. Here are some future consequences of global warming. Effects of global warming: rise in sea level, precipitation change, agriculture, water resources, and diseases. What is rise in sea level? Rise in sea level. The two major causes of global sea level is rise, the thermal expansion caused by the warming of the oceans, since water expands as it warms, and the loss of land-based ice such as glaciers due to increased melting. Records and research show that sea level has been steadily rising at a rate of 0.04 to 0.1 inches per year since 1900. Since 1992, new methods of satellitical timer-T, the measurement of elevation of altitude, indicate a rate of rise of 0.12 inches per year. This is a significantly larger rate than the sea level rise averaged over the last several thousand years. Now come to radiation imbalance. Radiation imbalance. It is the balance between radiation coming into the atmosphere and radiation going out. Any change in the balance can have rapid impact on life forms on Earth because it will have an impact on the sensitivity, adaptability and vulnerability of whole biosphere system. With increasing global warming, many species are expected to shift slowly poleward or toward high elevations in mountain areas. What are the impacts on water resources? Water resources. There is a great impact on water resources. However, all agree that the global freshwater conditions may worsen by 2025 more due to population pressure than due to climatic factors. What are the impacts on diseases? Diseases caused due to global warming are Zika, anthrax, cholera, tick-borne illness, and asthma. What are the effects on agriculture? Agriculture. Climate change will bring about sustainable changes in cereal production, especially in the tropics. In the tropics, cereals dominate the food source under the Ministry of Agriculture. There will be more shortages of cereals. Then future consequences or conclusion. Increase in average temperature, that is accelerating sea level, harm caused due to humans, ocean acidification and the migration of animals are just part of the many impacts of global warming. Hurricane and other storms are likely to become stronger. Less fresh water will be available, then flood and drought will become more. So at last, I want to tell that save environment, save life. So thank you all for watching this video.